perfectly fine. Yeah, please.
To come to South Africa and put in a performance like that, just what does it mean to the side?
It's obviously it's hard to put it in the words, but it's an amazing feeling, and I'm very glad and blessed, and hopefully I can continue like that.
And just from the wicket point of view, did you guys feel that it was this possibly the slowest wicket in the country? Did it feel a lot like home, the conditions?
Yeah, it was slow, but there was punchy bounce. We don't have that kind of bounce in Pakistan. But yeah, it was slow. It was close to Pakistan. But to be very honest, under light, it come nicely, to be honest. And we made a most of it.
Yes, please, sir.
Well done, well batted.
Thank you.
Just a word on the support. Did that possibly carry you guys through at some point? Because at one point you guys were staring down the barrel, 60 for 4.
Yeah, we were in a tricky position. I think Sam's knock is that amazing. One of the best probably I have seen very, very long time. And the way he batted, he is so young, and the way he batted, it's outstanding. And the sport, obviously, we both wanted to just take the game as deep as we can. And we knew it, if we take the game like till 47, 48 over, we will win this game.
Yeah, please.
Just tell us a little bit about Sam. I mean, this tour he's been really good. He got 98 in Centurion and another 100 here. Just his development, I mean, the stats say that he's gone averaging 80 in his last 10 ODIs. Just tell us about his development and where he's at the moment.
He's so young, and with his age, normally like people don't have that kind of head on their shoulders. But he is outstanding. He's a great talent. But I think what stood out today is head. He was so calm, and he knew what he needed to do. With this kind of pressure situation, if you are young like that, you intend to like make mistake. But he is outstanding cricketer, and he's one for the future definitely.
Anybody else, please?
In terms of your bowling, was it always the plan that you were going to be coming on at the end of the power play? Because, I mean, you really made the difference from a bowling point of view.
Yeah, with two lefty batting, I was always coming to bowl in power play. And yeah, I'm very happy to bowl like that, take 4 wickets. I don't really take 4 wickets very often in one-day cricket. But yeah, happy. But yeah, it was planned. If the both lefty stays there, I will come in the power play.
There's one thing though that you went for 3 boundaries of Tony DeZorzi, and then Mohammad Rizwan called you over and you had a conversation. What actually happened in that conversation? Because everything changed after that talk.
To be honest, it was nothing. We were just talking something else. We just wanted to take the it was like I was bowling like very quickly, so we just wanted to break the momentum. That's all. And we were talking. I can't remember what we was talking, but it was not about cricket.
Thank you. Maybe the last question.
Salman, you had a tough T20 series as a team, but how much momentum can you take from this one into the rest of the series with all the support that you also have in the ground?
Yeah, we as a team we didn't play well in T20s, and we have like so many things to improve in T20. But as an ODI team, we have been doing really well. We won the series in Australia and then Zimbabwe, and then now we are 1-0 up. And it is great to beat. Well, it's always good to start well in any series. We won this game. We wanted to take that momentum in the second game and third game, and wanted to win this series. And the crowd, they have been outstanding. Wherever we go, they always with us. We went to Australia, Zimbabwe, and here. They always come in numbers and support us, which is we are very blessed.